Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
हेल्थ इज वेल्थ हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है, लेकिन जब हम हेल्थ की बात करते हैं वी ऑटोमेटिकली अज्यूम दैट इट रेफर्स टू फिजिकल हेल्थ. मेंटल हेल्थ डजंट इवन मेक द कट इन मोस्ट स्पेसेस, बट द फैक्ट इज गुड मेंटल हेल्थ कैन पॉजिटिवली अफेक्ट योर फिजिकल हेल्थ एंड poor mental health can negatively affect your physical health. अगर आप काफ़ी टाइम से बीमार हो तो it can have adverse effects on your mental health. In fact, poor mental health can also cause some serious illnesses like heart disease, high blood pressure, weakened immune system, respiratory diseases, obesity, gastronomical problems. आप सोच रहे होंगे दोनों में कनेक्शन क्या है? Well, poor mental health can affect your ability to take healthy decisions and fight off chronic diseases. Unhealthy decisions include binge eating or turning to alcohol or substance abuse to deal with difficult feelings or emotions. So, how can physical exercise help in better mental health or wellness? Look at exercise not simply as a means to get a better body or physique, but something that helps you have a healthier mind. That way, you will not compare yourself with others constantly about fat loss or weight loss and will actually focus on how you feel when you work out. Help for depression and anxiety. Exercise is a scientifically proven mood booster, reducing symptoms of both depression and anxiety. Physical activity kicks up endorphin levels or feel-good chemicals produced by the brain and spinal cord that produces feelings of happiness and euphoria. In fact, if people want to avoid medication एकदम से, doctors often recommend करते हैं कि आप exercise try करें. ज़रूरी नहीं है आप सीधे gym join कर ले. Walking to Zumba to dancing, whatever makes you feel good, try that. If space is an issue because of pandemic restrictions, try using the stairs or your terrace or even dance in front of your TV or laptop. Decrease in stress. यार आजकल लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रेस है या यार आजकल ऑफिस में बहुत स्ट्रेस है. These are sentences often we say or we often hear others saying them. There's another benefit of exercise which is reduced stress levels. Increasing your heart rate can actually reduce the stress hormone or cortisol in the long run. और अगर कुछ नहीं तो ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम के नाम पे जो आप अपने डेस्क पे या अपने बेड पे अजीब से शेप में बैठ के काम करते रहते हैं, it'll help your body to have better mobility and also give it the much needed stretch. Increased self-esteem and self-confidence. Exercise एक form of self-care हो सकता है. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि exercise is punishing yourself. ऐसा बस mindset की वजह से है. If taking a long shower or sipping wine can be self-care, so can exercise. In fact, इस वाले self-care की बहुत extra benefits भी है. From improving endurance to losing weight to adding muscle tone, there are a lot of benefits that can come out of physical exercise. And these achievements can add up to a whooping boost of self-esteem and the confidence that comes with it. You may not set out for better fitting clothes, a slimmer physique, or that trek you have been meaning to take, but these can all be byproducts of exercise. In fact, most of the time, you don't even realize that all of these things are also happening with you. The goal is never about reaching a certain weight on the scale. It's more about आप कैसा feel करते हो वो 30 to 60 minutes when you work out and you are alone with your thoughts. Better sleep. कल रात को सो नहीं पाई ढंग से is again a very very common sentence we now hear. If you have trouble getting a good night's sleep, exercise can help you with that as well. Physical activity increases body temperature, which in turn has a calming effect, leading to less sheep counting and more shut-eye. Exercise also helps regulate the circadian rhythm, which is basically our body's inbuilt alarm clock. That alarm clock controls कब हम tired feel करते हैं और कब alert. Along with this, good sleep also enhances your ability to focus और आप generally fresh और अच्छा feel करते हैं. Exercise as meditation. For me, exercise feels like meditation or a long break जिसमें मैं अपने सारे responsibilities जिम या कमरे के बाहर छोड़ाती हूँ. बहुत लोगों को इसलिए योगा प्रेफरेबल होता है. हम अपना फॉर्म ऑफ मेडिटेशन खुद चूज कर सकते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं एक कमरे में क्रॉस लेग्ड बैठने को ही मेडिटेशन माना जाए. फॉर यू दैट मेडिटेशन could be taking a long walk in the park or wherever there is greenery, or maybe even dancing. Whatever form of exercise helps you have better mental wellness, choose that. It can be very very personalized, but do choose one. Thank you for watching the 8th episode of Mind Over Matter. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे शेयर करें और हमारी YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। And please follow us on our social media handles. This is Tina Das for The Print signing off.